Hey there! Today is the day before Christmas. Happy Christmas Eve! We're going to be making some gingerbread muffins, which would go perfect with your Christmas coffee or hot chocolate. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these muffins. We're going to start with a clean bowl and add in your butter to this. Pour in your brown sugar and combine that well. Then add in your spices to this, your baking soda and your salt, and your 1 egg, and mix that all well. Then add in your molasses to this, and combine that all well. Then we're going to pour in our milk and sour cream. Mix that all well. And finally dump in your flour to this and combine it all well. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees, and these will bake for 5 minutes, and then lower the temperature to 350 and bake for 15 to 16 minutes. The top of them will crack when they are ready. Place that aside and get your cupcake pan. And then just stick those in the oven and let them bake. And here are the gingerbread muffins. I hope you enjoyed this final recipe and the last 12 days of baked goods. I always love being able to share these recipes with you, and you can always make them throughout the year. You don't have to make them just for the holidays. If you want to see pictures of all the recipes I've done, I do post on Instagram and my link is down below. Leave a suggestion for what you'd like to see on this channel. Hit subscribe if you'd like to stay up to date with recipes. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.